Yes, yes. We are live okay, with 500. Actually, this is the data highs and lows. These data highs and these down here is the lows. Oh, we might clear it now. We'll clear it now, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I have to. I'll still wait. Clear all these. Okay. So what we have in our daily, as expected, we might be bullish. Sorry, bearish. Bearish cleared these equal lows in S&P. In bearish, we also cleared these main point here in NQ. So I was expecting this low to be cleared today, but I don't know, like we cleared it too early, I guess. Video was not on. Yeah. Let me add story, guys. We need more people. What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up? Yeah, so it's way too long. I'll wait for 10:30. Oh, sorry, 10 a.m. to, you know, uh, I don't want to do mistake like yesterday. Yeah, wait. What is our 4-hour selling today? We do have this low resistance liquidity up here. Look at this. And we are leaving this gap. And the good part of looking for longs here is that we cleared this swing point what we were looking for. So I think we might push higher, taking out these low resistance liquidity highs. If you look at it in a lower time frame, look at that beautiful there. So we are around 2-day open right now. This is a 2-day open. What is that? 20, we are around 2-day open. The 6 p.m. open. The 6 p.m. open. So did we set a high? Not yet. We had a fair value gap, but we didn't set a tap there. So I think we might push higher. But we need a lower time frame, more confirmations to that to happen. I can't just stay on this confluence alone. 30 minute, 30 minute beautiful displacement, delivering from this fair value gap. Look at it, delivering in this fair value gap, and is changing state of delivery and this fair value gap. If my phone fall down, bro. What's your feel? I'm really impressed with your note processing market. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe the live stream, bro. Like subscribe the channel. Make sure to subscribe the channel, bro. Yeah, we still have to wait because look at the S&P here. This is not yet taken London highs. These are previous 4 hour high, which will be more interesting if it wants to push bearish. But I'm staying like I don't want to do mess around with it right now because I need more confirmation on it. Even though we had a good 1 hour closure here, got this 1 hour beautiful C2 closure, and you would have traded this C3, but it was not safe to trade because of market open and data lows we are living down there. So yeah, I think we are good to go. We have a clean no resistance liquidity up here. That's the thing I can say. Like we can trade two highs perfectly to have this small PSP here. So with this can push higher again. But I'll be waiting for 10 a.m. Beautiful highs, equal highs up here, bro. Crazy. That is so nice. Why shouldn't I try these Asian highs? Looks like it's entry information here. And we get that tap. That's too far, bro. That's too far. I don't know if we can get that tap, bro. We are gonna visit maybe. Oh, shit, shit. Oh, no, bro, I haven't yet connected. Hmm. Come on, log it out now. Yeah, I miss it. Wait. One micro will be a lot more, but I think we'll miss it. So but tapped in my another account. But sorry if you can. Let's put on our limits there. So if it wants to come back and give us a tap, I don't know if I can get a tap there. Yeah, stick maybe. Hmm. Maybe we're gonna miss it. Oh no, give us a tap. If this 1 minute we close bullish, I'll be taking this on this 3 minute fair value gap definitely. But I'm not sure if we are gonna get that. Between this is here. Leave a lot of room there. Let's be here in 3 minute fair value gap. It wants to come back. First, we have to just look for the name. Okay, look at this 3 minute small difference here. Like S&P, we are bearish, and NQ, we turned out to be bullish. Hmm. No volume in DC. No volume in DC. Check now. Check now. Check now. Get bro. We missed fucking banger trade there because of it was unable to log in my account. This fair value gap entry was on point. Like, bro, never don't do anything about it. Clear Asian highs are about to clear. Couple of eagle eyes up there in S&P. For now, I'm just removing this order for now. I'll be staying bullish until we reach this 4 hour fair value gap. This will be my draw. I'll be staying bullish until we reach this 4 hour fair value gap. I missed that entry though. Let's see. So welcome to the stream, guys. Ready to trace. We're about to reach that 3 minute Waverly gap. Hopefully we'll get a turn from here so that we can look for bullish. We'll wait for 90-minute candle to close. Yeah, it works. Stick down. We have to clear those highs, bro. We have to clear those highs somehow. Or else maybe hmm, this small have this small changes of level here. Why trust this? Not yet. We can, but not gonna trust this yet because got a 15-minute candle here, totally flipped, and we are only remaining with another 5 minutes. So it's like it can just wiggle around here and create a 15-minute fair value gap and then give us a tap and then push higher. That can happen. So why not just wait just to be safe? This low might be get cleared once again because of this 15-minute fair value gap we are forming right now. Or else if we inverse this, then we can straight away look for longs on 10 a.m.
Hello. Uh, Finally. Bro, I'm gonna miss my entry here, bro. Shit, bro. Come on. 2 minutes. Do we have in 1 minute? Okay, we do have this change in state of delivery coming. So we do have this SMT as well. So let's wait for that. 3 minute open chest. So 1 minute change in state of delivery. We are gonna long it here because stops below this low and targeting for 2 hours. How many contracts? One is fine. One is fine. One is fine. One is fine, guys. Another 23 seconds. I don't know, like we can just pump higher there or can get entry on that. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We entered on that 1 minute change instead of delivery. So expecting a higher push from here. Look at this one stage we are having here with um, S&P 500. It should be pushing higher. We do have a good draw on liquidity up there. Asian eyes. Good 2 minute change instead of delivery as well. Let's see if we can get that push higher. So good entry though. This was a good entry. Actually, good entry. Don't care if I lose on this, bro. Fucking, I'll take this 100 out of 100 times. Not gonna lie. Continuation, one stage. This is what I used to do all the time. So I don't care if I fail on this, but let's hold this. We still have a chance. No break even on this high here. Reach that. We are even respecting this fair value gap, and we even just formed that in a small 1 minute change instead of delivery there. Oh fuck. Bro, why this keeps on happening, bro? Come on. एंचोदे माइक के वजह से मैं एंट्रीज मिस करे जा रहा हूँ भाई. अभी आ रहा है क्या? अभी आ रहा है क्या? यहीं पे बताओ, डीसी पे देख रहा हूँ. आ रहा है? इसी पे? नो ऑडिबल इन डीसी? अरे डीसी में डीसी का चार्ट देख रहा हूँ मैं। वाईटी में आ रहा, डीसी में नहीं। अरे इसका भाई ये है, बहुत चूतियापा है भाई। अब देखो तो, सी नाउ। देखो अब देखो, कोई डीसी में है तो आप देखो। ओ fuck, काम करता हूँ, रुको मैं यहाँ पे बट से काम चला लेता हूँ डीसी में अभी के लिए। इसका कुछ करना पड़ेगा भाई, इसका कुछ करना पड़ेगा, ये हर बार ऐसे होता रहता है। इसके चक्कर में मैं ट्रेड पे कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर पाता हूँ। मी डू इट विथ बर्ड्स राइट नाउ। देखो बर्ड से आ रहा है क्या? बर्ड से आ रहा, आना चाहिए अभी। क्लीन ही नहीं है। अरे मेरे को अभी एग्जिट होना पड़ेगा। एक काम करो ना, एडजस्ट कर लो ना इधर, यूट्यूब में थोड़ा, वहाँ पे वीडियो देखो, यहाँ पे ऑडियो एडजस्ट करो। मैं उसका ठीक करता हूँ, कुछ करता हूँ उसका। मैं अभी ट्रेड मैनेज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ उसके चक्कर में, इसीलिए थोड़ा यहाँ पे एडजस्ट कर लो आज, आज के लिए बस। we'll do something. So we inverted this fair value gap, which is a good sign for us. Which is good sign for us. So I want this high to be clear until this S&P reaches this red line, which is equal highs, so that we can go break even there. Kind of struggling to push higher. Actually, it was a perfect entry, to be honest. But let's see. We also got this 3-minute change instead of delivery. So somehow we have to, you know, get out of this week. Shitty projection, bro. We need a clean run. Another 3 minute for 15-minute closure. या तो फिर ये हाई रीच होने के बाद ब्रेक इवन होंगे, या तो फिर 3 मिनट वेरेवर इट विल बी, विल गो ब्रेक इवन। तब तक तो हो ही जाना चाहिए हाई क्लियर। थैंक यू सो मच। वॉन्ट गिव अस दैट पुश ब्रो, वी जस्ट वांट दिस हाई टू बी क्लियर्ड। एक बार ट्रेड सेफ हो जाए ना, रिस्क फ्री हो जाए ना, तो बोझ उतर जाता है। ओके, ओके, तो ब्रेक इवन नाउ गाइस, तो ब्रेक इवन नाउ। Whatever happens at this point, yeah, totally safe. Break even, everybody, break even. if you guys are inside in this trade, just go break even. We have this change in state of delivery which can hold. Let's see if we can get that push. Best part is like we have this inversion as well here, but slow climb, I don't like that at all. Slow climb, I don't like that at all, bro. Don't like the slow climb at all. So we can just come back and it can just stop us out at break even. But looking at 3 minute, I think we should push higher. But it can also push higher, get by just stopping us out. But that's our rules, guys. We have a recent high here, we cleared that out, and we are break even. I don't like this low resistance building down here, so that's how we reduce our risk. Sorry, we reduce our losses. Let it do its thing at this point. Yeah, but these highs are so clean. To be honest, these highs are so clean. I don't know why this is doing this chop shit because of CPI maybe, but those highs are so clean, so clean. What's going on in forex factory? I have to check once. CPI 830 done. Nothing else. Nothing else. Everything is done. CPI 830 done already. We are leaving data highs actually. Data lows. Data lows are not yet taken. Maybe that might be the problem as well, but I don't think so. That should be this problem that the entire market will just go on chopping. You can just clear out these recent highs and then push lower when that can happen because we are leaving this 4 hour fair value gap very clean up here. So another 3 seconds we might get stopped out here because new 15-minute open. And don't worry guys, if we get stopped out at break even, we might find a re-entry somewhere up here after clearing out some of these lows. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, that's cool. That's nice. Very, very nice trade management there. These failure swings, not at all looking good to me, so I have to exit at break even though we have this one stage here which might hold the price, but I'm not interested on risking and tolerating that drawdown because we are already in a premium and we wanted to just flush a little bit lower. Payment changes it like good body closure here. We are pushing higher from here, which is a good sign. And 3 minute change instead of level which we had here is holding the price, which is a good sign again. 30 minute and looking good, like not looking good to me. If you get this change instead of delivery, I'll be definitely interested in re-entering this position again. War yeah, contract. I don't wanna risk 360 or something, bro. I'll go with one contract again. If I go with two, then I'll mess it up with my risk management there. Let this change instead of leverage to look for more longs there. Just open the 15 minutes, so we do have a lot of time. And we are setting the 15-minute low from this 3 minute change in state of delivery and this 15-minute body closure, which is good as well. Let's see. We'll wait. We also get this 2 minute change in set of delivery once we got that 1 minute. So that's a good part there. So we'll wait. Or else we have to wait to clear all this low resistance. Once again get a tap and then look for buy price. What about gold? We haven't seen gold yet. Oh, gold is pushing higher, bro. London highs. 40-minute change instead of delivery. But we cleared these highs in gold though. Gold is looking kind of tricky to me today. Look at this good C2 like a long wick reversal kind of candle, reversal bullish reversal candle, but the sudden bearish candle after next to that. So I'm not going to risk, bro. I'm going to risk on that shit. What do we have here? 1 hour. We are leaving this fair value gap. Again, tricky shit. Tricky shit. Tricky. I'm not interested in such tricky markets, bro. I'll be just looking for just market, just book setups every day and then take your 2 hour and then that's it. Done. Don't look for, much don't make it much complicated because it's not worth it at all. Just take your 2 hour, just look for textbook setups in any asset, then just get it done. That's it. We'll wait. No, we are not gonna get chopped. So what's what I'm doing? CL is leaving 1 hour fair value gap, which I don't like at all. Because of YM, we might form this two stage in YM with YM. Shopping, bro. Market is shopping. Market is just shopping. Just stay away. Just stay away. I decide to not to touch until I get what I am looking for. YM looks nothing looks clean. YM can turn out anytime. YM can turn out anytime, bro. Look at this 30-minute candle. Big here. Not at all. Not interested on this. But if I get this 5 minute change instead of delivery, that might be nice. 1 hour can expand a little bit higher, more. Get this low resistance up here. This looks good. Looks good though. Oh, like this job, what we have here. 3 minute or YM. 3 minute inversion YM looks clean though. Let's try this. I'm looking for YM here because NQ. I know NQ is not gonna give us tap. So NQ is not gonna give us tap. We're gonna miss it there. So I'm just looking for YM to come back and rebalance that inversion and then push higher because we do have a good draw up there in YM left. Done. Draw is done. Draw is done. YM is the weakest asset, but do have a good draw up there, so we can get that push higher. Catch up to those highs, I think maybe. Oh, bro. Oh, fuck no, bro. Okay, we got that tap. We lose this. Hmm, yeah, fuck it, bro. We don't like this. So I entered that because we had two stays down there. We do have a good drop in YM, but I don't know. This NQ. Let's see. Let's see if we can get this. Or here came out of the chop with the displacement. I don't know. Wait, what's happening in gold? Gold is pushing lower. Today open, going back. Not interested on gold with these failure swings up there. What about oil? We are having this one stage in oil. Again, not interested with this big wicks there. But I was looking for this NQ, but I don't know. We hit that draw. Two is a lot, bro. Come on. AMS reached that high. We are turning, I turn out bearish here to, these low resistance liquidity. We have C2 closure in MES, but not in Q. Unfilled 15 minute. Beautiful low resistance liquidity, bro. I think it's 3 minute. Not at all. Not at all. We get this entry and take this after that gap to this lows. Or if we form a gap here, if you're not forming a gap, then I don't know if you can take that. Go with ES as well because we have a good good closure there. But I need a gap. I need a gap to five. Oh no, bro. Yep. Okay, okay, okay. We are still in. We are still in. still in. I was about to cancel it, but this wasn't there. Okay, bro. Ah, just slow. What should we lose today? I think 250. That would was thank you. Yeah, Q is a bit stronger than ES. Thirty minutes for 13 seconds for this 15 minute, 5 minute. If we keep that part from here. What's it up? One last try. One last try. But the problem here is we are entering after clearing the draw. That is a problem. Looks like it's a good chances of delivery, but let's see. And we are out of the range with displacement. We met that 4 hour draw, which was very important. Come on. -1. I don't know if we can even reverse from this area, like because we already met the draw. So that's it for today, guys. And I'm like, I don't see the good condition here for myself. So I want to fumble this account. This SMT we have here. Bring out the draws, SMT version. Just try this short here. Trying this short. Um, let's see if we can reach this low resistance. Put it down here. So we are risking at this high. What? One, two, what? Where is our goal? Let's see. Please, we'll get to there. Come on, bro. Because we might have, yeah, we even have this 3 minute changes here after delivery, so we should get a good push lower. And these low resistance liquidity down here. Shit, bro. Like, everything is looking good. We even have 3 minute in this set of delivery and 1 minute inversion after clearing out the highs, dumping from 4 hour fair value gap. I don't know. Leaving this low resistance liquidity down here. At least this should slower. All of this low resistance liquidity. Break that trend line. In the 41 seconds. We still do have this 3 minute here. A break and inversion of this 3 minute. Okay. If 50 minute open. Excited to see like how it's. I wanted to push lower again, reducing my risk. So see, so, let's see. These lows are we taken kind of lows. Let's see because here S&P oh, tapped into a 30-minute fair value gap and NQ is not yet, so we might get a little bit of pullback there. So I don't wanna risk on this. We did have a had a good displacement though, but over here again. Oh, wow. Okay, this is of delivery. So 830, yeah, 830 that was. Hmm. Let's see. Can flush lower. Yeah, after set TP, I'm looking for data lows or I'm looking for trailing it tight. I want this low to be clear for that. This low resistance low. If this clears, we can flush lower again. That's what I think, but we need to clear these lows. This is very important low. Sorry. This low here is important. But that this low is protected. So if it clears this low, then we can set almost reach that to our bro. See our data lows. Actually, I'm not interested to hold it till there. To our is our target. Let's see. It changes it of delivery with the displacement down here, push lower with the displacement, not like this. Very good displacement there. Or else these will stay failure swings and market might reverse. Yeah, exactly like this displacement. Come on. Come on, bro. This is not a displacement what I was expecting there. Let's see. Go to here. Let's see. kind of good, but not that good thing. Need a displacement I was expecting there, but let's see. We need to break this low, bro. This low here. This is very important. We need to break that low. Fuck, why are we fucking consolidating there? Good push lower. Come on, buddy. Okay. Okay, sir. That's what I was watching for. We need to run these lows like with a good displacement. Lows. Uh, so this was a very important low to be cleared. We did clear that. Yeah, so inverse to this parabolic gap here, we should push lower to these data lows, which is not yet taken. TS clears the data lows first, then I'm gonna manually exit it. TS clears the lows, data lows first, then I'm gonna just manually exit it. We have these lows here, which is cleared in an ES, but not in NQ yet. Did I just cover my losses, what I've had today? Bring these here. I think this is keeping this here makes it a little bit of more tight. It will not have a much room there. Once this low gets clear, we'll flush again lower, like to the dead lows, straight to the dead lows. We have this gap here. I don't want to see holding. It should flush to the lows though. a little bit at least. $200 maybe. Can cover $200. Please. What do you guys think? What do you guys think on this? और भैया ले लो क्या ये वाला? I think नहीं लिए होंगे आप maybe. Maybe. If 15-minute open. Okay, so we had a closure, so that was setting a low and then closing the 15-minute candle. That was nice. A strong closure and lower. Come on, bro. Inverse this. We took this low though, which is a good sign here. We are not forming any kind of SMT, but we have to inverse this 1 minute. Almost inverse, but not completely. Yes, inverse that pyramid though. I don't want to see reversal from here, bro. Come on. I don't know, bro. What the what the fuck? Are we reversing from here? Nah, we don't want to see this. I don't want to see this. Come on, slower from there. Putting a 15-minute high here. We should reverse off of this fair value gap, or else it will just run all of these low resistance up there. This is the last point where we can just last line of sand where we can just reverse off of. So keeping the hope on that, just holding it. Inverse this, bro. Come on, bro. Version with a good momentum. Seconds to go. Let's hold it to the date close now. Mhm. Pretty much stop up there. Even if I get stopped out here, I'll be ending my trade break even. This low should be taken. Actually, this is a good inversion trade with the data lows. Whoever the people who trade inversions. So if we take this low, I can move my stop to somewhere around here or break even, whatever the inversions, trade there. But let's hold it. I can cover my day losses, whatever we had today. So let's hold this now. Do the fucking data lows. Come on, push lower, bro. I cleared those lows. So I want to just bring it here. This will make me, even if I hit my stop loss, I'll be ending my day with a break even. Because this is a PA account, so I just don't want to risk on this. Let's take those data lows. These white strips around this is not looking good in live. Maybe I think I have to do one thing. Let me just push this inside, maybe. Drawing tool. The drawing part. Yeah, we can do that though. Come on, Daedalus. Come on, Daedalus. Come on, Daedalus. TS takes that. I'm gonna just exit it manually there. If ES hits first. ES hits first. Come on, ES. Oh, yeah. Okay, ES took that out. I'm gonna just tell it tight. Spell it tight. Because ES took that out, so fucking exit, bro. Let's make around at least 700 today. Yeah. Beautiful fucking trade, but we, bro, bro, we might have bid another $100 there, but that's fine. Okay, 300 a day. That's fine, totally fine. I'll take that. I'll take that. 350 something around, but it's totally fine. I'll take that. Chat was all quiet. Yeah, chat was all quiet. I don't know why. Bro, beautiful trade, bro. Honestly, beautiful trade. To the data lows. To the data lows. Had it simply up here. Slow resistance liquidity. Yes, sir. I think by far this is the highest, like, at least 4 round trade we had in a, yeah, we had in a while in live stream. Crazy trade, bro. Crazy trade. For inversion up there. It's a good, fucking good trade there. Beautiful trade. I exited it because of, ES hit that data lows. So that's fine. What I was building was sent me something at 8, uh, like 8:30 IST. Let me just check if it's worked or not. I'm testing it. I'm not taking trades on that. Entry zone around, where's that? Entry zone around 9, not 9. Let me just let us test it in front of you guys. Oh, where is that? Where is that? Our timing IST +5. And did I get that signal? I got the signal on 8:39. Where's 8:39? 8:39. Entry 90.9 there. This is your entry. This will be our entry basically. Think stop loss 90.22, 90.22, 27, 24, 22. Okay, so this will be a stop, and we are targeting for 2 hour here. Yeah. So on this change in set of delivery, we are going to get entry. Okay. This is a CL short what we got, and MNQ short. Okay, we also CL short was stopped out. Okay, no, this is a bit confusing. MCL short. Okay. One was stopped out. MNQ short, where we had at MNQ short, we had at 29136. Let me check. I'm testing it, guys. I'm not taking those trades there. Trades here. Just check. What was our entry? 29136. 29136. 136. What the fuck, bro? 29136.5. Bro, guys, I'm not even lying. I'm not even lying. 29136. Where's that? On this change in set of delivery, maybe. What the fuck? On this change in set of delivery, we had our entry here, 29136. Bro, where is the stop? 29231. 29231. 29231 is a stop. This is a stop. And TP 28946. 289. What the hell, bro? Bro, I'm not even lying. Like, let me show you guys. Look at this. Look at this board. What's the trade on the top? राहुल भैया ये वाला देखो ना ये आपको सिग्नल आया था क्या लाइक दिस वाज अ ट्रेड दिस वाज द ट्रेड crazy crazy bro our bot is like even our bot is cooking bro exactly bro I made a bot on GXT for my community members but it is in a testing like we are testing it right now I'm not gonna release it until we are gonna get a good what is a good win rate and like everything. So look at this crazy shit. So I made a dashboard on that. Okay. So this is a dashboard. We took a three total trades today, and two were winners and one was a loser. Uh, that's totally fine. So RTY we had a winner, Manicure winner. The one lost we have what we had is CL. I didn't know GXT can be traded mechanically. Bro, like I literally gave my mentorship free for free. Like literally I taught everything to the AI Crazy, crazy. So I set that on these assets, on these particular assets, we need 2 trades a day. We did miss RB today because we obviously didn't hit that 1 hour fair value gap. Maybe that might be the reason. But CL still running short there, as you guys can see. Obviously, CL is still running short, and NQ we hit this TP and RTY. Let me just check that as well. Let's check that as well, bro. RTY, RTY, RTY. What is the signal for that RTY? MCL, this got stopped out. This was a one trade which we lost maybe. MAQ short again. MAQ short again. 850. Let me check. What is the time right now? Brr, Let me check. Let me check it here. 850, right? But I meant you use AI to code what you or you. No, bro, I use the AI to code, but I have to, teach each and everything about GXT to the AI so that it can code for me. Like if I'm using a cloud code, that's good idea. Yeah, yeah, we are getting results on this. I'm really surprised. Look at this 850. Let me just check. MNQ, we got another signal in MNQ actually. 850, 850. So what is the signal? Yeah, exactly. Short at MNQ at 28835, 28835, 28835. Is there anything like the setup delivery there? Okay, okay. So we have this 50 mA change the setup delivery. Okay, so 28835, 28835 is here. Okay, where will be a stop? Let me check where will be a stop. MCL short entry with the target. MCL, we'll look at that afterwards. Stop 288987. 8987 desk 289. Oh fuck. Sorry. 8987. I think this is this high we are having stop like this high. Okay. Here it is like on this change in state of delivery. I am not much confident on this trade. That's the reason I made it a signal thing. I don't want to give entire access to my account to this bot. But this is a trade which bot has sent me. I'm not taking this trade. I'm just listing it live here. So this high will be the SL and our TP will be 2 hour from here. It will be our TP. Let's see if we can get that. Hmm. TP will be around 2 hour from there, like 8526, 8526, 85. Right, 526 somewhere around here. somewhere around here, somewhere around there. Let's see. We are just testing it out, guys. Uh, we can't. We I'm not telling that it's full. It's fully working. It's in a testing. So it was a MCL. Okay, this was a CL trade. What we had. This was a CL trade. What we had. Let me just see the trade. Not sure where was entry. Where is that entry? It just said entry at 9009. When was this sent? Entry at uh, 90. Oh, what is this? Entry 9009. Which was that 9009? Just 9009. Okay. I think the change in state of delivery. I think on this change in state of delivery. This is entry on this change in state of delivery. Perfect. Perfect. This is how trade it because we also have a gap here. So I literally said AI that if we are entering at a fair value gap, so add two confluences, change the state of delivery plus fair value gap, and find a best entry for me. So this is a best entry for according to the AI. So where will be your stop? Where will be your stop so that we can get 2 hour from there? Where will be your stop? 9022. 9022 will be here. Here. Where you get a real time data. MCPs, bro. MCP. We can use MCP so that it will just scan. Or AI will scan directly from the trading view. Open high low close. No worries, bro. So the target is 89. Let me just see. 89, 89.83. So target is 89.83. 89.83. Oh, 89.83. Okay. Let's fucking go, bro. We can target 2 hour as well. Here. Why did it miss the 2 hour? I don't know, but entry was on point though. Beautiful entry. Beautiful entry. Crazy. Our chef is cooking. Our chef is cooking. Let's go. Initial shot target hit. Crazy, bro. Crazy shit. Four trades, three winners and one loser. MCL, two shots. One was a loss and two were TP. Crazy, bro. This is so nice. This is so nice. And the best thing about this spot is once this hits two trades asset, it will just stop taking trades on that asset. So I just want to limit it because if it's a bot, it will just keep on sending you signals. Yeah, yeah, MCP. You can think you can get it on internet maybe. MCP. You can use MCPs too. Just scan. Let me show you how it scans. Look at this. This is my another browser tab. It will just keep on scanning here. Now it's on RB. So what? Look at the logs here. What we are having. Look at the logs. Round six complete. Round six is complete, and next scan is in another 90 seconds. It will have a break. Like once the trade is punched, it will stop. Like until it gets over. So until it gets over in a particular asset, then there will be a 90 seconds gap, and then it will just again keep on scanning. So yeah, this is how it works. So right now MNQ target C. So once the 90 Seconds is done. Now it will just keep on scanning. It will just switch the tab by itself and then keep on scanning. So wherever it see, that's what I was talking about. So whenever it sees the entry forming, then it will just uh, throw entry, fire entry in our Discord through the webhook. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Who does better than this? Who does better than this? Not me, at least. Gets data from your TradingView client. Yeah, yeah. It will get a data from my TradingView account. You don't even. I think you don't even need a premium of TradingView for that. Look at that, bro. What a beautiful. Like when it switches the assets and search for a entry. I think it fired another entry point there. I think it's gonna fire another entry point. I think it's gonna fire another entry point. Maybe the logs are showing, but let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Q, 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 Q. Bro, this is so beautiful, bro. This is so beautiful. Let it run, guys. Let it run. Let it do its thing. I'm not gonna touch. What about? I think we had another entry. Like I didn't get a data of gold, which like there was some problem I think, but I didn't get a data of gold, so I just skipped gold and silver and YM. YM I was unable to get the data from YM as well, but I'm looking for these four assets indices only right now. Indices and RB, MNQ, RTY, MES, and then uh, RB and CL. So these assets I'm looking for right now. But this is so beautiful, guys. Not gonna lie, look at this. Look at this NQ trade going on right now, bro. You guys will tattoo my man, you'll get access to this early. You'll be getting early access because you have been here since a very long time. And Karna SMT will get access because we need a people to test it out. So we are giving access to the people who can test it out. Bro, I recommend you not to take these trades on your real account. Okay, definitely not to take on a real account until we totally prove it. We are just testing it right now, so make sure to paper trade it and test it there. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Paper trade it. Not to. This is not for uh, trading your accounts because even I don't trade it until it's fully done. Okay, so paper trade it until we confirm that it's good to go for everyone who I'll be giving access soon. And we'll be having our own journal with this bot. So what we can do, what's gonna happen there is like uh it will be specially made for GXT people and TTFM people, where if you want to create your if you want to go and create the journal in Notion, it will be kind of irritating because you have to do it with scratch, like writing everything, whether we got a C2 closure, assets, track and correlation, uh, whatever the, whatever like FEG or whatever the, whatever the PDR is or anything we'll be using. So we have to create it manually when it comes to, journaling in Notion. But I want to do it uh, something that automates everything. Like if you just post a screenshot there, it has to identify everything and then mark, place everything for you guys. There's no hectic to, just click, 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 click every time. So yeah, I'm building that as well just for our community. Just Just make sure to join the community. You're gonna get a lot of free stuff there. You're gonna get a lot of things. Even if I charge, even if I think of charging, I'll just charge it for server maintenance or subscription of AI or something. Very small charges around like $3 to $4 or $5 a person or $10 a person. That's not a big deal at all for you guys. So yeah, well, if you're getting a free beautiful trades like this, then bro, anyone can definitely. Personally, I'll fucking pay $10 for this. Definitely, I'll never think twice to pay $10 for this. This is, bro. You can cook on this, bro. Look at that. Look at that. देख रहे हो क्या राहुल भैया देख रहे हो? This is crazy. What a what a entry, bro. What a entry. I'm not making it, guys. I literally shown you like everything. This is locked right now. You can't see it in my Discord. This is locked because I want to test it. I don't want to just misguide people on these signals. I don't want to test it. I want to test it and then unlock it so that people can access it. So yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing, guys. Bro, time is already a lot, so I have to have my dinner. So yeah, that's it, guys. See you guys tomorrow. And yeah, nothing else you guys want to ask or I think okay, guys. I'll share the result of this. Double to me, yeah, kind of a roller coaster to me because I was not prepared for this, but but we are ending green, and I just started this bot just to see whether it's going to work or not. I was not even confident on this. Like I was like, bro, how a bot can trade like discretionary kind of trading because GXT has a lot of discretionary. Like you need to build a narrative. You know you need a lot of stuff to look at when you're trading GXT. I had no clue that it's gonna work, but I'm started seeing results on this. Bro, it's bravo. Like even I would have not placed such a beautiful trades, to be honest. So yeah, expecting a positive outcome from this. But this made my day. Bot here, fucking made my day. So yeah, that's it, guys. Again, new scan round started here, round 8. Look at these logs. You guys can see these logs. So round 8 is started here. Now we are fetching data from RTY. So now it will stop fetching data from CL because 2 trades per day done and dusted, and one was loss and one was profit. And MNQ, one was profit and another one is running. And RTY, one was profit and another one is running. We haven't yet took any trades in RB because setup is not formed yet. That's fucking awesome. It is not, fumbling the things. It is waiting for a setup patiently. That's fucking awesome. Love to see this, bro. Look at the drop. I'll update about this trade in Discord, but love this. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy. Crazy. I'm happy that it's working. Got the CL trade, bro. Beautiful. I didn't get a cold data, but I'll try to somehow, get this data. I'll try. We have a lot of things to improve, guys. It's just a start. I just put that shit in like 2 to 3 days, maybe. I just put that shit in 2 to 3 days. We have a lot of days to come. We have a lot of days coming. We'll make it as precise as possible, and we're gonna print. Let's go. Let's go, guys. See you guys tomorrow and take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Need to push lower though. Exactly, exactly. Come on, buddy. Come on, push it lower. Shadow, if you are still here, uh, if you want to code this, like Claude will ask you something like, to do something like it will write a Pine script and signal it from there and shoot it here in Discord using webhooks. But don't do that because that will be more mechanical kind of stuff. Just give your chart to the cloud and explain your strategy, and it does it better than a Pine script. That's my one suggestion. If you wanna, if you are thinking of doing this, you know, if you are interested in such stuff. I heard that you are an engineer, so you'll definitely try this out. I know that you'll definitely you are definitely gonna try this out. I know engineers mindset, bro. If they see something like this, they'll just go and fucking try this. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add another thing as well. Something like when should we go break even on this? Just to preserve our capital and stuff. I'll add that as well so that we can refine our winning trades. Just to take as much as losses as possible. So yeah, this is our second trade which I'm getting. Uh, I think third trade which I'm getting. So I don't know if we lose this. I'm totally fine with that because what had really made progress. Like we had a fucking three winners out of four, bro. That's 75%. Look at that. Three winners out of four. Average RR. Average time you are taking 2 RTP. Crazy. Let's hope for this to push as well. But whatever. Let's see. So that's it for today, guys. I'll update about this trade and see you guys tomorrow. Take care.